Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 2, namely as Wasteless. We'd like to present our work. This group consists of me, Aifah Bin Putri, as the moderator for today's presentation, Rizky Rahmawati, Adila Rodia, and Fatima Azara. Okay, let's move to the problem that we face. There's an increase in food waste that causes carbon in Indonesia to rise. According to SafeTheChildren.org.id, food waste accumulating and rotting at landfills produce methane gas, one of the more dangerous greenhouse gases than carbon dioxide. Food waste contribute 8 till 10% of carbon emissions that triggered global warming in the 2010 and 2000 until 2016 period. If food waste behavior can be stopped, it is estimated that 6 till 8% of greenhouse gas emissions from human activity can be reduced. The next one is the goal. Wasteless was created with the aim of reducing leftover food waste in Indonesia and the carbon footprint that is increasing every year in order to develop sustainable applications to support along with environment. Here we have existing system named Surplus, was established in 2020. Surplus Indonesia has a noble goal to reduce food waste in Indonesia. The reason is, until now, Indonesia is still one of the countries with the largest food waste pollution in the world. To be more specific, Indonesia is the country with the second largest food waste in the world. And then, actually, this application named Surplus have the same vision like us, Wasteless, to save food, save budget, and save planet. The next one is Surplus Garden System. Surplus is an application to sell leftover food from restaurants, catering, supermarkets, and hotels. It's a climate tech startup and social enterprise which focuses on solving the problem of food waste and food loss in Indonesia. How it works, it connects businesses such as restaurants, cafes, hotels, and MSME players who have access produced with safe and decent conditions to consumers. Items will be sold at half price to buyers at certain hours. Goods that are fit for consumption but not perfect for supermarket display standards or imperfect. Surplus lacks policies to reduce customers' dissatisfaction. Surplus is also still lacking in the marketing system, so there's still many who don't know that this app exists.
Okay, for the next, we have a feature. For the feature, there are homepage. The homepage is the main feature of the Vestel's application, where on the homepage there will be a profile, user appreciation for their contribution in reducing the number of colleague and merchant categories, such as restaurant, hotels, and also supermarket. User will immediately be able to choose the merchant category they want, then this will automatically connect to the trademark and menu display that will be able to order. So for the next is community. The community feature is a feature used for user discussion facilities with other user. In this community, user will post their interesting stories when placing orders on the Vestel's application, and they will provide testimonials on the food and drink they buy from merchants that are already available. Other user will be able to interact by using the like button, which means the post is very helpful, and the dislike button, which means the post does not help other user. Post with the highest number of likes every month will get reward coins from Vestel system. And the next is order history. In the order history, there will be a detail of order made by user, what order that they have to pick up, complete orders, and cancel orders. In this feature, all user transaction will be clearly visible, and there is transparency for user in tracking the order they order. So for the next is we have innovation. The innovation of Westlace application. The first is we have notification. In the notification, we implementing change with the integration of notification feature in Westlace. Bring potential benefit that can improve overall business performance. With notification feature that notify user about the availability of new food or when purchase are approached start close. Westlace can create a more responsive user experience and motivate immediate purchase. And the next is policy by survey. In a policy by survey, we have innovation that implement by Westlace to provide the best service, where this will be the main basis for implementing the enhanced policies related to the sale of web other food and beverage products that are suitable for sale, and this policy will be followed by a legal basis. This policy comes from a survey apply to the target market and merchants who become partners must comply with the policy for customer compliance and sales distribution status that is safe for consumption. And the next is we have mystery pack. In mystery pack, implement change to Westless that maximize the use of mystery packs. We are providing detailed information about the food that consumers will receive. This a strategic step to increase competitiveness and provide added value to the user experience. By not providing specific information about the content of mystery packs, Westless seeks to avoid being a direct competitor in the market and instead be a new innovation that represents a fresh idea for consumers who want to enjoy quality business on a limited budget. So the next, I will explain you about operational scenario in Westless application. After downloading the application, people will choose to become a user or merchant. Then they have to sign up or register using a Google account. Then they will be connected to a page to complete the registration by the user. Namely entering the full name, username, date of birth, telephone number, and also password. For the next is user will perform the order process by selecting the category where they want to find food, like supermarket, hotel, and restaurant. Merchants will be able to upload the food menu that they want to sell at that time. After the order, the user will make a payment. Merchant will check the order or not. If it checked, the order will enter the merchant's system. If not, then the user order process will be automatically cancelled. So the next, when the user has choose to make payment via online or pay on the spot, the user will be automatically directed to immediately pick up their order to the restaurant, hotel, or supermarket they choose. The order by providing a barcode and order number to pick up their order and send it to the merchant at the location. When the user's order is received, the merchant must be prepared, ordered, and ready for the user to pick up. So next is the last scenario that after the pickup process is complete, the payment will automatically go to the merchant account, and the user will get a notification to our profile star and testimonial in the community. Next will be present by my friend. Okay, for the next, I will explain about the use case and flowchart of Vesteless in general. So the first is user will be registered or login, and then after that, after login, user will be directed to homepage, and then after that, user can choose the categories of Vesteless that between hotel or restaurant or supermarket, and then user will choose menu of pop-up box. It has two filters or options, that is food or drink. And after the user choose the menu, user will be directed to order process, consists of payment that the payment have two option method, that is cash or e-wallet. And then after the user get the product of the order, user can write a review in the community page. That after that, Westless has a profile page that's for set the user or merchant profile data. Okay, and then I will continue to present the use case and flowchart for the features of Westless features. The first is create account. That user in the create account, user and merchant will choose the role before sign up or sign in. So user before sign up can choose the role is customer. After this, user or merchant will be directed to sign up page, and then user for user side, user can fulfill profile data and email verification. But for merchant side, in the sign up page, merchant will fulfill profile data, email verification, and then accept policy by survey, and then fulfill questionnaire, and then send the MOU. After that, merchant will get verification of Westless system, and then
after that, user or merchant can sign in that both user or merchant can fill email and then fill password. And this sign in page, user or merchant can choose forget password or click forget password if they forget the password. Okay, after the create account, I will explain about the next features. Yes, choose or input item order. Okay, so both user and merchant need to choose the category restaurant or hotel or supermarket. So for the user side, user need to choose category for the order of the user wants. So that but merchant in the merchant side, merchant need to choose category for update or add new menu. So after merchant choose the category, merchant can add or update new menu that need to fulfill menu data, fulfill merchant or seller data, and then the menu can be list. After the merchant menu release the menu, merchant can view the menu, and then for the user side, after user choose the category, user can choose the specific merchant that want to be ordered. And then after choose the specific merchant, user can view the menu of the menu of the specific merchant that in this time, Westless have filter that user can choose between drink or food. And then after that, user can choose the item menu and then done. The next is order process. Okay, so the user in this order process need to place the order. And then in this time for place order, user need to add item count and determine the uptime. After the user place the order, user need to submit the order. And in this time, user still have chance to cancel the order. After the user submit the order, merchant will get the receive the order, and both user or merchant still can update order status or view the order status. And then if the order valid, merchant will prepare the order. Okay, the next is payment process. In this step, user need to submit the order. So the payment process is actually happens in before the merchant receive the order. So after the user submit the order, user need to select the payment method between bank or wallet. And then after that, user have to pay for the item, and then merchant will receive the payment, then receive the order. Okay, and the next is review and rating. So in review, user can write or comment all of the service and product that they get. Reviews is in the community page. And then in rating, user can give star of rating for the product that has been ordered. Rating is in product page. So the step is user will after they have ordered, user can give review and rating, review in community page and rating in product page. And then merchant can view and then reply the view. Also merchant can view the rating of product. In community, other people can give like if they feel help of the review, and if the review get many likes, Westless will give point to the user that write review. And then after the system or Westless give points, user will get the points. The points can redeem for the voucher. Okay, and then the next is order history. Okay, in the order history, user can click the page order. Then after that, there is a button of order history that navigates to the order history page. And then after that, after the user click the order history button, the system will display a list of the customer's past orders that if the user want to view the detailed information of the order of an order, user can click the order. After that, if the user have click the order to view the detailed information, the system will display price and image. And then also user can view the payment information that will consist method and amount of the payment. And then the next is notification. So the notification, I will give example of the notification after a merchant add or update new menu. So in this case, merchant after add or update new menu, Visual System will get data of new menu, and then Visual System will send the notification for the user. And then after user get notification, user can go to homepage. But if they don't want to go to homepage, user will be directed to view menu in the order page. And then the next is complaint. If the user want to complain of the service or product, user can open the profile page and then click complaint button, and then Westless system will be directly integrate to WhatsApp of Westless customer service, and then user directly to can send the complaint that they want to complain, and then after that, merchant will get the complaint in the way of WhatsApp, and then merchant will give survey of service quality if the complaint have been resolved. So merchant will give survey of service quality if the complaint have been resolved, and then the user will fill survey of service quality for the merchant or system that give complaint results. Then the next is business and revenue that will be explained by my friends.
So I will explain our business and revenue. For the first, we have revenue source. Westless charge sellers a commission for every product sold through the platform. And second, sellers can be charged a fee for adding product to the platform. And the third, Westless can charge transaction fees to business or consumers for every transaction made through the platform. So Westless gets its source of income from commission fees for adding product from partner and transaction fees. And second, key selling point. Here are the selling points of our apps. For the first, yes, Westless help buyers food by connecting sellers with buyers who want to buy food products that are near their expiration date or are surplus. Second, buyers can save money by purchasing food product at discount price. And the third, Westless help reduce the environmental impact of food waste. So the main value points of our app's main selling point are reducing food waste, saving money, and the environmental friendly. And the third, we have target market. For the Westless target market, there are two categories: seller and buyers. For the seller, we targeted hotels, restaurants, supermarket that have excess food and food that is approaching its expiration date. For the buyers, we targeted individuals who want to save money and how to reduce food waste. And the fourth, we have marketing strategy. We use the following marketing strategies to reach out its target market. For the first, Westless can use social media to raise awareness about its platform and reach potential buyers. And the second, Westless can partner with non-profit organization and other business that share the same goal of reducing food waste. And the third, Westless can offer commission and discount to attract new buyers and encourage sales. Our main marketing strategy is social media marketing to get as many partners as possible and offering promotion and discount to the customer. And so finally, there is for business and revenue from Westless.
Okay, thank you. That's it from our presentation. Apologies if there's any mistake. Thank you so much.